Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I want to share with you a quick, simple, inexpensive manicure. Now you can use regular polish, but I decided to use gel as it helps my nails grow and stay strong. So I do have Model 1's gel polish on, and this does come in a kit, so I will leave that link down below. And then I have some nail foils picked out. Just some random colors, and I am just going to apply a thin layer of nail glue, which you need for the nail foils. I did try and test it out to see if it had a tacky layer on the gel, but it doesn't, so I'm just going to go ahead and use nail glue. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and then I will lay down the foils. Okay, so now that the glue is dry, I'm just going to take the nail foils and tap them on my nails. Okay, so some of these foils have this orange backing and some of them don't. So I am going to remove that layer only because, as you can see, it laid some of it down right here so the foils aren't sticking. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and apply a little bit more glue. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And all I did was take a cotton round and some acetone and just wipe that off. Make sure you do the back. Okay, so here they are. Now I'm just going to gel top coat this. I might add some gold polish. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm probably going to do that and then top coat, and I'll meet you back with the end design. Okay, so here is the finished design. I was hoping for more of the foil to be on the tips, but it did turn out cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not. I would appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.